Some Macs users have reported an issue where the pause button rewinds or skips back shows on Roku devices. This unexpected behavior has left users absolutely frustrated. But before we get to that, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Users have complained that instead of freezing the content, pressing the pause button frequently causes an unexpected rewind, thus sending them back in the timeline of the program. This behavior not only disrupts the viewer's immersion but also prompts confusion. In some cases, the show starts right from the beginning after hitting the pause button. Since viewers cannot pause their preferred shows or movies without worrying about random rewinds, this problem has undoubtedly generated some unease among them. Even though the affected users are voicing their problems on various online forums, there has been no acknowledgement from the support team as yet. Fortunately, we have come across a workaround that can help fix the pause functionality temporarily. For this, you can check out the highlighted part on your screen. Moreover, the Roku team is asking the affected users to reach out to Max as it is likely an issue on their end, but it's still unclear whether the problem is with the Max app or Roku. For that, we can only wait for the respective teams to address the problem and come up with the fix at the earliest. That said, we'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you are watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more information. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.